Zillow versus MLS, which is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which real estate platform is better between Zillow and MLS. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Zillow. Zillow offers a vast database of property listings across the US, features an intuitive and easy to use website and app, provides detailed information on property history, market trends, and neighborhood data, includes a proprietary tool for estimating home values called Zestimate, allows for easy exploration of buying and selling options directly through Zillow offers, while some users find the Zestimate tool to be inaccurate. Heavy advertising presence can detract from user experience. Provides less detailed information on real estate agents compared to some competitors. Now, let's come towards MLS. MLS ensures accuracy and timeliness with listings updated directly by real estate professionals, provides detailed and accurate property information directly from real estate agents, primarily used by real estate agents and brokers, ensuring a professional level of service. Fewer ads compared to public facing platforms like Zillow, often includes exclusive listings not found on public platforms, primarily accessible through real estate agents and brokers, not directly available to the public, can be less user friendly compared to public platforms like Zillow. Coverage and accessibility can vary significantly by region. Choosing between Zillow and MLS in 2024 depends on your specific real estate needs. Zillow excels with its extensive property listings, user friendly interface, and integrated services. MLS offers highly accurate listings and professional access, making it a strong choice for those working with real estate agents. Consider your need for accessibility and detailed data to determine which platform aligns best with your real estate goals. That's all for this video.